You ever wonder how the big players in tech dodge the regulators? Well, check this out. Nvidia, the chip giant, they're playing it real smart with Groq. Instead of a full-blown acquisition, which would have the feds all over them for antitrust, they're structuring it real clever. It's like they're saying, we're partners, not owners, keeping Uncle Sam off their back while still pushing forward with AI and chips. Smart move, right? They're navigating the regulatory landscape like a pro, making sure they can innovate without getting bogged down in legal battles. It shows you how these tech titans are thinking outside the box to keep their momentum. Now let's talk Ethereum. Tom Lee, a guy who knows his stuff, he's super bullish on ETH, and for good reason, tokenization. What's tokenization? Simple. Imagine taking a piece of real estate, a stock, or even a fancy painting, and turning its ownership into a digital token on a blockchain. That's tokenization. Ethereum is becoming the go-to network for this, making real-world assets liquid and tradable in a whole new way. This is not financial advice, but if you're looking at the future of finance, tokenization on Ethereum is a massive trend that's only just beginning to unfold. And speaking of Ethereum's future, get this, 2026 is shaping up to be the year it really takes off, thanks to ZK Tech. ZK Tech, or Zero Knowledge Technology, it's a game changer. It's like proving you know a secret without actually telling anyone the secret. For crypto, it means transactions can be verified super fast and privately without revealing all the data. We're talking exponential scaling, meaning Ethereum could handle way more transactions, way faster, making it even more powerful and efficient for everything from decentralized finance to NFTs. This ain't just talk. It's the cutting-edge tech that's going to unlock Ethereum's full potential and truly cement its place as the backbone of the decentralized web. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.